To connect your Where Winds Meet account to Xbox, all you need to do is start by opening up your favorite browsing app and then type in the words Where Winds Meet, like so. Then all you need to do is simply navigate to the official website for the game. And then from here, you're going to ensure that you're logged into the website. So go ahead and select the profile icon. And then just select Login. And then choose your server. And then choose how you're going to be logging in. Now, so for me, I'll be using Google. So let's just go ahead and select it. Choose your account. And then after a couple of seconds, you should be able to see your combat stats once you've successfully logged in. So just select your character if you have multiple ones. And here you have it. So once you've successfully logged in to your Where Winds Meet account, you then want to go back to the main page of the website. And then from here, you just want to view the web page so that it now detects that you've successfully logged in. Next, you're then going to go ahead and select Account Center, like so. And in Account Center, again, you want to go ahead and select Google, your account, and then it should bring you to your account center like so. You should be able to see your character as well as your level. So all you need to do is simply select linked account like so. And then you want to scroll through the list available. And then once you find the option Xbox, simply select link. From here, once it's opened up this mini pop-up menu, just log in with your account. So in this case, it's the same account that you used to create your Where Winds Meet account. So go ahead and confirm that. Then you want to confirm that you wish to stay signed in, or you can choose to select no. It's completely up to you. And then you now need to give Xbox access to this app. So go ahead and accept it. And once you do that, you should receive a verification email letting you know that you've successfully connected them. And you can see Xbox here says linked, which means now you can go ahead and open up your Xbox. And after a few seconds, it should successfully detect your account, allowing you to play Where Winds Meet on your Xbox. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.